Every single minute we lose forests the size of 30 football fields. Rivers run dry, species vanish, and yet there's a spark of hope. Hi there, and welcome back to Ask AI. Today we are going to ask the question, can AI help us save the planet? That hope? It's artificial intelligence. Once sci-fi, now our strongest ally. In the next few minutes, you'll see a 5-phase roadmap for how AI can actually turn the tide. From real-time monitoring through carbon capture, 5 decisive phases. Let's kick off with Phase 1. Phase 1. Data and monitoring. A. Satellite eyes. First, AI sifts through thousands of satellite images every hour, spotting deforestation as it happens. B. Ground sensors. On the forest floor, IoT sensors measure humidity, soil health, even illegal logging activity. C. Machine learning alerts. Then the models light up. Red flags ping to rangers' phones the instant something's off. D. Emotional tie-in. It's like giving Mother Nature her own early warning network. Phase 2. Prediction and early warning. A. Forecasting disasters. Next, AI runs climate models that forecast wildfires and floods weeks in advance. B. Community alerts. Automated alerts rush to local officials, buying critical evacuation time. C. Why it matters. Because every hour saved can mean hundreds of lives. Phase 3. Optimization and efficiency. A. Smart grids. AI fine-tunes power grids to route energy where it's needed, slashing waste. B. Precision agriculture. On farms, machine vision tells tractors exactly how much water and fertilizer crops need. C. Drone reforestation. Autonomous drones plant trees at dizzying scale, millions per season. D. Impact highlight. Together, these tools cut resource use by up to 40%. That's huge. Phase 4. Carbon capture and restoration. A. Novel materials. AI designs next-gen filters that pull CO2 directly from the air. B. Optimized planting. ML algorithms pick the best spots for new forests, maximizing carbon uptake. C. Animated infographic call-out. Imagine 30 trees planted per second, all directed by a single AI brain. D. Emotional hook. We're not just slowing damage, we're rebuilding our world. Phase 5. Global policy and collective action. A. Policy modeling. AI simulates policy outcomes, showing which emission cuts actually work. B. Negotiation support. Diplomats use these insights to strike fairer, faster climate deals. C. Personal nudges. And for you and me, apps powered by AI suggest small daily eco-actions. D. Call to collective hope. From boardrooms to living rooms, AI unites us in common purpose. So there you have it. AI swoops in like the superhero we never asked for, ready to babysit Mother Earth. If you're cool with breathing clean air and not watching polar bears drown, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button. Or don't. Totally your call. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment what you want me to ask AI next.